Yeah.
I'm living in Thailand. Y'all know the deal. It hasn't even been 2 hours since I left immigration, and we have already been invited to. I love it. That's my little friend. Anyways, I've been invited to a water balloon fight. The city is going crazy. It's hot out here. It's about to be the biggest wet t-shirt party, and y'all might be invited. But if you don't see it on my TikTok, you know I'm on YouTube with it. You know I'm vlogging this experience, and you know I'm about to go cop a water gun right now. Shout out to the Soul Tribe. We lit. Y'all better travel. Get your buff passport. I'm running down this. I love my life, man. I love it. Dump that water on.
Ain't no getting dressed. We got big guys and everything. Oh, what's that? Oh, ain't no getting dressed. This is how we step up. I can't explain it. You just have to be here.
Go ahead. Yeah, that's what you get, shorty. What's up, big dog? He caught me. All the ladies. Go ahead and do it for the video. Come on, mama. Come on. Damn, you gonna put in the shorts? Ooh, wee. You wanna get sprayed? Damn. I'm taking this to YouTube. I don't know if TikTok ready. Take the water gun, bro. Have some fun, bro. Welcome to Thailand.
Baby girl. Hold on.
Bro, bravo. It's fucking insane out here, man. This is what it's looking like out here. Hold on. What's up? I'm acting a fool, y'all. I'm acting a fool, man. See me, yo. The babies, nobody's safe right now.